The date is symbolic, the message is political, and the timing, that is explosive. Iran is preparing for a massive show of strength, not with missiles, not with fighter jets, but with something equally powerful: people, crowds, street power. Well, Iran's supreme leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, has made a dramatic call to the nation. He is urging millions of Iranians to pour onto streets on 11th February, a date that marks the anniversary of Iran's Islamic Revolution. But this year, it's not just a celebration, it is being projected as a political message. A message aimed straight at Washington and specifically at Donald Trump. You know why this rally all of a sudden is so important? Because the atmosphere around Iran is heating up fast. The US has been sending strong military signals, warships are moving in nearby waters, bombers and strike forces are being positioned across the region. And diplomatic talk, well, they are hanging by the thread. Now Khamenei is shifting the battlefield. Instead of responding only with military warnings, he is calling for national unity. Well, his message is simple yet very powerful. Iran's real strength is not just weapons. Iran's real strength is its people. But here's where the story takes a dramatic turn. Just one day before calling for these rallies, Khamenei broke a tradition that he followed for nearly 4 decades. For 37 straight years, he personally attended a special meeting with Iran's Air Force commanders. Even during global crisis, even during COVID-19 pandemic, he never missed it. But this year, he was absent, and that absence has sparked a storm of speculations. Is it security concern? Is it political signaling? Or is Tehran preparing for something bigger behind the scenes? Though Iran has not given a clear explanation for this, and that silence is only fueling more and more questions. Well, in the meantime, the pressure from Washington continues to build. American military movements around Iran are being watched very closely. Officials on both the sides are exchanging warnings, and diplomacy is becoming more fragile day by day. But wait, why February 11th? Because it is not just any day in Iran. It marks the moment in 1979 when the Islamic Revolution, it reshaped the country forever. Now for Israeli leadership, it symbolizes resistance, survival, and national pride. And now that same symbolism is being used again. Khamenei appears to be sending a clear message to the world that Iran wants to show that even under sanctions, even under military pressure, the government still has public backing. So, in the end, here's a bigger question, ladies and gentlemen. Will these rallies calm the tensions, or will they raise the political temperature even higher? Because when public mobilization meets military buildup, history shows the situation can become unpredictable.